This topic is simplifying the square root of a whole number that's less than 100. So since 50 is less than 100, it qualifies. So when I do square roots, I take my number and I break it down into prime numbers. And the way you do that is you think of two numbers that multiply to get 50. I happen to know it's 5 times 10. 5 we can't break down anymore, but 10 is the same as 2 times 5. So if I rewrite my square root of 50 as 2 times 5 times 5, when you have doubles and you're taking the square root, then one of those can come out. And here's why. The square root, by the way, the square root of 5 times 5 is the same thing as the square root of 25, which we all know is 5. So when we have 2 underneath, one of them can come out. And I have a really morbid story about this. It's like the square root symbol is a house and all of these numbers are underneath the roof. They really want to go outside and play. Now, it makes it better if these numbers are cookies, okay? Because I guess it's not as morbid. It still is, though. In order to be allowed to go outside, you have to find a cookie that looks just like yourself, eat it, and then you can go outside and play. So this 5, this cookie that's the shape of 5, found another 5, ate it, and then he was able to go outside and play. So that's how that 5 got to go out there. All right, so let's try it with the square root of 72. Again, another number that is less than 100. 7, 8, 9. So this is 9 times 8. 9 is 3 times 3. And 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. It's just one that I do a lot, so that's how I know it. So I'm going to rewrite it as a square root of 3 2's times and 2 3's times. So we're looking for doubles, so we can pull a 2 on the outside and a 3 on the outside. But we still have a 2 left inside. And when we pull numbers out, if you have more than one, you multiply them together. So we have 6 square roots of 2, and that is my final answer. Let's do one more. You don't have to keep watching if you feel like you really understand it. But we're going to do one more only because I think it's so much fun. So 18 is 9 times 2, and 9 is 3 times 3. So I'm going to rewrite the square root of 18 as the square root of 2 times 3 times 3. I find my doubles, so I can write 3 on the outside and the square root of 2. The 2 has to stay on the inside. So I'm going to type in 3 square roots of 2. And that is the end of the lesson.